To use the conditional formatting, we have the employee ID, name, and the actual units in sales, and we have the budget as well. So we need to find the performance by taking the percentage. So to take the percentage, we use equals to bracket open, select the actual sales cell, divide by the budgeted cell, which is the 8,000, close the bracket and multiply by 100 to make it in percentage. We got the percentage. Now we need to drag it down to apply the same formula in the remaining cells. This is how we have completed our percentage. Now we need to find the result, and we have the criteria, which is 80% to achieve it. So we use the if function, like if bracket open, then it says logical test. So again it says logical test, so I select the percentage cell, and we have the criteria like if f6 is less than 80%, comma, inverted comma open, it says not yet, inverted comma close, comma, and if it has achieved 80%, then it says comma achieved, inverted comma again close, and close the bracket. This is the criteria, like if it has achieved 80%, so it says achieved, and if it has not achieved 80%, it says not yet. Then I press the enter, so you can see here it says not yet, which means the percentage is less than 80. Now we select the whole cell or whole column, go here in the conditional formatting, and in the formatting use new rule, and in the new rule select the second option, which is format only, and go here in the specific text. In the specific text we need to write here not yet. We need to type like not yet, and go here in the format and choose the color, like not yet should be written in red, so select the red and make it bold by click on bold and OK. So you can see the reflection of the conditional formatting using the same technique, like selecting the column, go here in the conditional formatting using new rule option, selecting the second option, and in the second option specific text, and the last one is achieved, ACHIEVED, achieved. Again use the format option, and the achieved format should be in green, so select the green color and make it bold and make OK, and again OK. Now to test our formula, drop down the whole formula. So you can see here we got the result of the conditional formatting. Now we can test our formula, like if I change the actual sales, so you can see here, and again if I raise the actual units like to 7,000, so you can see it gives achieved, and the achieved is in green color. This is how we can use the conditional formatting. It helps us in making the different fonts.